students. So today I want to explain MAT mock test 5 solutions 1 to 30 questions. So topic is words are arranged in alphabetical order. So that is the first topic, and second topic is Venn diagrams. So these based on these two topics your MAT mock test 5 solutions. Okay, I want to explain you. See here 1 to 5 questions based on the directions questions 1 to 5 in the alphabetical order questions. So first of all, according to the question, so in this out of 4 suitable options, which one you have to arrange in this particular words are in alphabetical order. So which word is comes first? You need to identify. Okay. So that is the first model. So which one comes first? Means here all the 4 but arranged in alphabetical order. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Alphabetical order. So you can arrange then which one is comes first you need to identify. So that is the question. Okay. So then, so first of all, see first question, staple, squirrel, shorthand and strange. So first of all, first you need to identify first of all, first letters are S, 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 S. Okay, but all are same means, but how to identify? It is difficult to identify. So then go for the next letter. Next letter is here T, Q, H, T. Here, which is the least letter in the alphabetical order? Means P 20, Q 17, H 8 and T 20. So which is comes first? So H is the least digit means, so that's why. So option 3 is the correct. So like that you have to check for the alphabetical order test. Clear? So then next second question is first one appointment, appear, apathy and against. So which one is comes first? First of all you need to identify. Go for first letter A and here also A only. Okay. So then next go for the second letter P, P, P. These 3 second letters are same and next here G will be there. So P is 16, G is 7. So that's the G letter is the least letter means then alphabetical order. First word will come against in the second question. Clear? So then next third question is escape, listen, calculation, coodle. Okay. So first I need to observe in the first letter E, next L, C and C. E letter is 5, L letter is 12, C letter is 3 and C letter is 3. But in that, but these two, compared to these two will come first. But in these two, which is the comes first means then go for second letter. But here A is there, here U is there. So that's why A is 1, U is 21. So that's why this is the least letter A means that the third option is the comes first from the third question. Clear? The next fourth one is funny, fence, feather and father. So which word will comes first in the dictionary order? So now here first letter observe F, F, all 4 F's will come. So then go for the second here U, E, E, A. So U is 21, E is 5 and A is 1. So that's why father will comes in the dictionary order. First word is father. Out of 4 words, first word father will come, then remaining, but they need to ask only first letter, no? That's why I'm saying like that. So the next fifth one is rotate, rough, rubber, roller. So which one is comes first means see first letter you need to observe R, and here also R. Next O, U, O. So means here O is 15, U is 21 means compared to this, these three words will come first. But in this, based on these three words, which word is dictionary order come for first means first you need to observe third letter, a T, U, and here L. T is 20, U is 21, L is 12. So that's why in this fourth word is comes first as per the dictionary order. So this is about 1 to 5 questions, dictionary order questions. Okay, next I'll go for sixth question, right? Next direction questions 6 to 10. So Venn diagrams topic. So first of all, the given Venn diagram is triangle, square, rectangle, circle, and including some letters also given. So now here representation also given according to the question. If the circle represents postgraduates, means in the circle, but which letters are there? Those pupils are called postgraduates, and a rectangle indicates tennis players, and the square represents entrepreneurs, and triangle represents private sector. So these are the four categories are given. So now here 6 to 10 questions. So what is that? First sixth question is so simply I'll read that question. So now just I'm writing here sixth one answer. Okay, see which of the following letters represents the people who are postgraduates and tennis players. Postgraduates means circular postgraduates, and tennis players means rectangle. Postgraduates and tennis players, but should neither working private sector nor entrepreneurs. But in these two intersection part only, but I need which one is there? It is nothing but M is there. Okay, only but who are in postgraduates and tennis players, but not these two, but triangle and square. But any intersection means you have to remove. In these two intersection part is M only. Clear? So that is about sixth question. So the next seventh one is which of the following letters represents the people who are postgraduates working in private sector, who are also entrepreneurs, but not tennis players, except tennis players, which are common, but not tennis players. Tennis players means where in that rectangle is tennis players, but remaining three, circle, triangle, square is intersection part is nothing but D means so that is useful. Eighth question is which of the following letters represents the people who are postgraduates, entrepreneurs, and tennis players, but not working in the private sector. So which is the private sector is nothing but triangle. Except triangle, remaining all three Venn diagrams common point is nothing but J. So that's why eighth one option is J. So similarly ninth one is which of the following letters represents the people who are only tennis players. Only tennis players means tennis players are represents rectangle. The rectangles only tennis players are nothing but L. So that is about ninth one. So next 10th question is which of the following letters represents the entrepreneurs who play tennis but not neither work in private sector nor are postgraduates. See here, once you need to observe here, entrepreneurs and tennis players. Tennis players are nothing but rectangle, entrepreneurs are nothing but square. These two intersection, except another two means that intersection part is K. So that is about so 10th question. So these are the direction 6 to 10 questions based on this Venn diagram. Okay, questions. Next I'm going to explain 11th question. So next directions questions 11 to 15. So these questions are here here 5 Venn diagrams are given. Here based on these 5 Venn diagrams, so any one is based on the question, one of the Venn diagram is suitable. So which one you need to identify. Okay. So first of all, see 11th question, tiger, lion, animal. So tiger, lion, animal. So now this tiger is a animal, lion is also animal. So these two are belongs to animal only. So that's why animal you are taken as a big circle, but tiger and lion both are different animals. So that's why this is tiger, this is lion, and these are the animals means. So option 3 is the correct one. Option 3 is the correct one. Clear? So next, similarly 12th question, Hindi, English, French. Hindi, English, French, these three are different subjects. There is no intersected between any two subjects. So English different, Hindi different, French different means that is suitable option. Venn diagram is fourth option. Clear? So next, similarly 13th one is room, apartment and buildings. So suppose this big circle is taken as apartment. In apartment, buildings are there. In buildings, rooms will be there. So that's why option 2 is the suitable answer. So next, similarly, actors, directors, producers. So actors, directors, producers. Some actors are producers, some actors are directors, some directors are actors. You know very well. So that's why in the option 1 is possible that all these three are intersected part. Okay, some means intersection part will be there. So 1 is the suitable answer. Next, men, women, parents. Men, women, parents. Okay, so now here, suppose this is about parents. So this is represented as man, this is represented as woman. Means children, no? Men, women, parents. Okay, so that's why men, women, parents means. So here, option 3 is the suitable, right? So this is about directions questions 11 to 15. Okay. So next I'm going to explain 16th question.